Today we're going to make ginataang paksiw na isda or fish in a coconut milk. Let's season our fish with salt, both sides, and black pepper, in the pan. Let's put our ginger, our onions, garlic. Spread it nicely. Let's add our fish, just like this. Okay, let's pour our vinegar, cover and cook for 7 to 10 minutes. Wow, smells delicious. Now let's add our seafood seasoning. This is optional. Green bell pepper, coconut milk, let's cover and cook for another 5 minutes or 5 to 7 minutes. Wow, this is it, guys. It's so yummy and so easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time.